Yes, first, what we are doing actually, we are having first internal session with Phenom just to understand the customer and why they choose Phenom and what's actually goals. And then we are being in a call with the whole client team. So it's also their people who decided to go for Phenom, but also people who will be in the project team. And then we are reviewing the scope of work. So just to make sure that we are on the same page, and if anything is missing or if anything they would like to add, it's usually the time that we need to speak. But of course, it's really in the early stage of the implementation project. Then we took the clients onto discovery journey. So it first starts with the kickoff. And so in kickoff, we say that, okay, this is your, again, scope. So we are implementing this, and these are the steps for the implementation project. So, and the step is actually first we did the kickoff, and then there are a couple of workshops based on what's included in the scope, and they're usually career side. So how to design it, what's their strategy, and what we need from them. And later on, we need to see actually all the technical integrations. So again, what we need from them. And in that part, Phenom Technical Support Manager is present there. And also we are expecting their technical team to be present just to make sure that we ask some data and it's available if there are any challenges on specific part, then how we can actually overcome of that situation. And after that, if everything is in perfect shape, we say, okay, we are closing the discovery phase, and then let us give us some time. So the Phenom developers are actually building all the integrations with the client system and the brand new the Phenom platform. Then we are testing. And during the test, our first priority, of course, if the integrations are working, if the main issues are covered, any bugs, any issues, and of course, everybody would like to have perfect career side, but our priorities first, just to see the technical integrations are there. And then if you're comfortable with the staging side, then we are pushing everything to production. So this is how the journey, and the journey for the timelines, it's really depending on if everybody is submitting their work on the same time. And based on that, we will share with them the timelines.